EliteParks introduces the Walk Order feature, a customizable route sequence tool that aligns with the park's actual layout. With Walk Order, customers can now organise and sort tasks based on the physical sequence of plots rather than plot numbers. You'll see here on our plots table we have a new column heading called Walk Order. Against each of our plot records, underneath the width, you'll see we have a field here for Walk Order. This allows you to filter based on Walk Order for your meter readings, housekeeping activities, maintenance jobs, site tasks and safety tests. You'll see here in our meter reading journal, we can now organise our readings by Walk Order. Within our maintenance job, you can see we have the Walk Order visible. And on our housekeeping activity, we can see the Walk Order field. All of these fields are also available in the list views for these activities, like housekeeping and maintenance jobs.